Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got an opportunity to show you this beautiful new Galeon. This is a new model for this year, 2019. We have a 485 HTS, which stands for a hardtop sport. They've got a lot of new innovative features on this boat. My favorite of which is that big glass panel and door there that retracts vertically straight down into the bulkhead, so you have a complete open air cockpit with no need to deal with isinglass at all. Also on the rear, we've got a tender garage that extends way back into the deck, all the way up to the bulkhead. And also a submersible swim platform that with a touch of a button drops down below the water level, either for wading in the water or to make it easier to load your tender in and out. And walking up along this boat, this thing has absolutely beautiful lines. This truly is a work of art, and Galeon prides themselves on craftsmanship. All the stainless steel that you see here is made in-house, as well as the teak on the back deck is milled right there in-house out of full trees, making them a vertically integrated company, and they're even family owned. And while this is a gorgeous boat on the outside, the best part is on the inside, so let's go inside and take a look. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My cell phone number is listed right below here. Call me, text me, email me anytime. Thanks. All right, so on board this Galeon, your primary access is going to be to starboard, even though you do have steps on both sides. Over here are your controls for the swim platform that extends down, as well as your freshwater. Walking on up, we've got a nice little door that you can close to keep the little ones inside, so they can't access the swim platform when you don't want them to. Huge area for seating, lounging out in the back, big U couch. Moving forward inside here, this big piece of glass is probably what sets this 485 apart from all the other boats in its class. Let me show you just how easy this works. We're going to open the door up to its main stop, give it one more click there. On your starboard side, when you walk in, you've got a couple little switches. All we're going to do is push down, and in real time, the entire door and window separating the salon from the rear deck disappears down into the bulkhead. It really is that simple. Now we've got a completely open air cockpit. We can sit here on the inside on our second U-shaped lounger and enjoy the outdoors just as much as we can on the outside, but be in complete comfort with the AC and a little bit of sunshade going. And if that's not enough outdoors for you, we'll move on up to the helm. And these windows here, both on the starboard side, the one above me, open up for complete airflow. And they really open up pretty quick. So I'm just gonna hit the button here. And that's real time. Completely stows away on the roof. And I had a chance to run this boat a few weeks ago. When you're running, the aerodynamics of this boat are designed absolutely perfectly so that you can be sitting here at the helm, driving just like normal. You can feel the breeze, but you don't get hit hard. It really is a very comfortable boat. So now we're here, full air, 360 degrees, in complete comfort. But if you're done for the day, you need to get out of the sun, out of the breeze, out of the air, just walk through this glass cabin door here that gives you a little privacy glass from the outside. You'll see once we're inside though, you can see outside like there's no tint at all. So let's walk on down. So here we are down below deck. Looking back up, you can see you've got plenty of lighting coming in here. Your main roof is one big sunroof, and then the door that gives you access to come down, as I said when we were up there, looks like crystal clear glass from the inside, but gives you a little privacy from onlookers from the outside. To starboard, you've got a big U-shaped couch and table that folds down. TV on one side, all your electronic controls are on the rear. To port, you've got your access to the aft main cabin. Nice little couch, again lots of windows. All these finishings, all the white that you see in here is all Alcantara suede. Very easy to clean. Tons of space in here. In the aft master, you've got your own private bathroom as well. Again, tons of light and tons of space. Moving back out, we're going to walk through the galley here. You've got an oven down below, as well as your burners up top. Large dual stainless steel sink. Lots of cabinet lighting again. They really do a good job in making this feel very open. For a 48-foot boat, this feels a lot bigger than 48 feet. Moving back forward here, we've got our second head, which is to starboard. And this one's shared with the main cabin. It's great size again. Everything that you need. Lots of lighting. And finally, moving forward, we've got our forward stateroom. And I love what they did with the ceiling here. One of the cushions on the front deck is on the starboard side, but the port side is open, give you an idea of what the whole thing would look like when it's open. Again, more windows, excellent lighting, indirect lighting above all the cabinet work. And behind this door is your air conditioner, and believe it or not, it's running right now. I don't know if you can even hear it in the video. I can barely hear it just standing there. This is an awesome new boat. You really need to come get on this and see it to fully appreciate all the new design work that they put into this and how big and spacious this cabin feels. I'm 6'2", and standing up in here feels like they're normal 8-foot ceilings. If you guys have any questions, you want to see this boat, give me a call, shoot me a text, shoot me an email, come on down and see it. Nick Hutchinson in Clearwater, thank you.